In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase resource collection in Clash of Clans. Before we get started with the video, please don't forget to give this video a like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Clash of Clans on your device and sign in to your Supercell ID account to load your progress on the game on the platform. After that, what you can do to be able to increase resource collection in the game by clicking on the gold mine and upgrading each of this gold mine available on your base. So this will allow you to increase the production of gold on your base and will allow you to earn more gold at the same time. It's highly important for you to upgrade your gold mine by clicking on the upgrade button. It is also highly important to upgrade the elixir collector to be able to increase the production of elixir on your base. Elixir is a highly important item that will allow you to upgrade the gold mine on your base and other materials that you can find on your base. You can go ahead and click on your town hall and click on magic items. So in this magic item section, you'll be able to find various magic items that will allow you to upgrade and boost the progress of the production on your base. And that is how you can simply increase resource collection in Clash of Clans.